Dance, baby shark, Huh? Brayden upstairs changing clothes. Baby shark, Ay, I have present. Oh. Where are you going? Let's eat na.
No.
Let's eat na.
Driving.
Let's eat. Come on.
Driving.
You're driving. Let's eat first. Come on.
No.
Kauwi lang niya galing school. How's your school?
No. I'm driving.
You're driving. Okay, bawal daw pala siya kausapin kasi nagda-drive siya. What's your teacher's name?
Teacher Han.
Teacher Han. Wow. You want mommy to push you? Yee. Oo, careful. Careful. Call mo, Kuya Brayden. Kuya, call mo kuya. Oh, what? Kakasigaw ka kaagad. Ayan na si kuya. Kuya is coming downstairs. Ayan si kuya. May dalang hula hoop. Come here. Show them how you use that. Show them hula hoop. Wow. Okay daw. Okay, drive properly. Drive safe. No, let her drive. Huh?
Let me drive.
Let her drive. Oh, she's playing. Oh.
Go on the back.
Huh?
Move here.
Psst.
On the move.
Kendall, come on, Kendall. Siya na tuloy nag-drive. Oh, hold, kuya, hold, kuya, hold, kuya, hold properly. She's just holding you. Ayaw niya natuloy. Nauna si Brayden. Kunin mo nga yung isa. Sumbong tsaka lola. Kunin mo yung sa'yo. Meron kong ganyan eh, yung color pink. Ate Glo is getting it for you. Eh, may Adidas pala. Wow. Yun na. Kendall's turn. Ano ka? Ayan, ano kayo? Racing.